Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Anne. Can you hear me? Hello, Anne. Good evening. Hello.
Hello, Tít. Rồi,
Oh,
nghe chưa?
wow. Okay. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good. How are you today, Anne?
I'm good, thank you.
Wow, that's great, Anne. Okay, I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes, already.
Perfect. So we are now in lesson 28.1, all about jobs. Wow. Okay. Now look, listen, and repeat.
Teacher,
Teacher.
Teacher,
Very good. Okay.
doctor,
doctor,
dentist,
Nice.
dancer,
One more time. Dentist.
dentist,
Great job. Okay. Now look at this one. All right. Who is this? This
is,
is
this is a teacher.
very good. A teacher will teach the students just like me. I am teaching you. So I am a teacher. Do you want to become a teacher? Yes or no? Do you want to become a teacher? Yes or
Yes.
no? Wow,
Yes.
that's nice. Okay, now a teacher works in school. Okay, now look. Who is this?
This is a doctor.
That's right. So a doctor will help you if you are sick. For example, I have a fever. My head hurts. Then you go to the doctor. The doctor will check up on you to see what's the matter with you. So the doctor works in the hospital. Okay. Now, look. Who's this?
This is a dentist.
That's right. So a dentist is a person who will look at your teeth. If you're if you have a toothache like mommy my tooth hurts, then the dentist will help you. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Okay, now look, listen and repeat.
Police officer.
Please, please, phone.
One more time. Police, police.
Police
Okay, officer, officer.
officer. Officer.
Very good. One last time. Police officer.
Police officer.
Great job. Okay, now look and say
Firefighter.
Fire.
one more time. Fire,
Fire.
fighter.
Fire.
Very good. Last one. Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Great job. Okay, now look.
Pilot.
Police.
Very good. Okay, now look. Who is this?
This is a police station.
One more time. This is a police officer.
This is a police
Last one, and this is a police officer.
This is a police officer.
Very good. A police officer will catch the bad people. Like, for example, I'm calling, hello, mom, blah, blah, blah. Then the bad person will catch it. I was like, hey, my phone, give it back to me. Then the police officer will go, Willow. It will help me. Okay? They will catch the bad person. Okay, now listen to this one. A police officer will help you to catch the bad people.
Một sĩ quan cảnh sát sẽ giúp bạn bắt những kẻ xấu.
Police officer. All right?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, look, who is this?
This is a fire.
One more. Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Very good. Okay, a firefighter will put out the fire. Fire, help. Then the firefighter will come. Okay, now look. A firefighter is a person who will help us to put off the fire if there's some accident.
Lính cứu hỏa là người sẽ giúp chúng ta dập lửa nếu có tai nạn.
Firefighter. Okay?
Fire.
Okay, one more time. Firefighter.
Fire.
Very good. Okay, now look at this one. Who is this?
It's a pilot.
Okay, one more. Pilot. Pilot.
Pilot.
Very good. One more time. This is a pilot.
This is the pilot.
Very good. Wow. Okay, now look. A pilot will fly a plane. Woo! They will drive the plane. Okay. A pilot is a person who flies a plane.
Phi công là người lái máy bay.
Pilot. Okay?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now look, listen, and say. Okay, now look. What do you do?
Bạn làm nghề gì?
Okay. What do you do? I
What?
am
I am a
a student.
student.
Very good. Okay. A student is just like you.
Is
Một sinh
a
viên cũng giống như bạn.
Student. Like that.
student.
You are a student. Okay, now look. What does he do?
What does he do?
Ông ấy làm gì?
What does he do? He is
He is
a student.
he is a student.
Very good. Okay, now look. We use he if it is a girl, and we use he if it is a boy. All right?
Yes.
Chúng ta dùng she nếu là con gái và chúng ta dùng he nếu là con trai.
All right. And okay, so look, we have he. Okay. Then she. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Now, how about teacher? Look at teacher. He or he? Teacher AM. He or he? Me. He or he?
She is a student.
Okay, now look. Me, a teacher. Is it a she or he?
Tôi là giáo viên, là cô ấy hay anh ấy?
She or he?
She.
Very good. How about you, Anne? She or he?
She.
Great job. How about this one? He or he? He or he?
He.
That's correct. Yay! Okay, now look, let us practice. Look at the picture and tell me in a complete sentence, okay?
Chúng ta cùng luyện tập nhìn vào bức tranh và nói cho tôi một câu hoàn chỉnh nhé.
Okay, now look. What does, okay? What does he do?
Is a student.
Police officer.
One more. He is a police officer.
He is a police officer.
Very good. Okay. Now, what about this one? Who is he? Who is he? Look,
He is a five five fighter.
Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Very good. Okay, now look. Who is he?
He is a pilot.
Pilot.
That's right. Yay, give me a high five. Very good. And okay, now look. Who is she?
He is a teacher.
Great job.
Teacher.
Okay, now look. Who is he?
He is a doctor.
Doctor.
That's correct. Okay, last one. Who is he?
He is a he is a dentist.
Dentist.
That's right. One more time. Dentist. Dentist.
Dentist.
Very good. Okay. What about you? What do you do?
Còn bạn thì bạn làm gì?
How about you? What do you do? I am I
Teacher.
am you.
I am
I am a
I
student.
am a student.
Very good. Okay. You are a student. Okay?
Bạn là sinh viên được chứ?
Okay. You are a student. All right?
Then
Very good. Now give me a high five and high five. Yay. Okay, now let's play a game. Now look and circle the word that doesn't belong. What's number one? Wow, very good. We have water. Okay, what about number two?
burger.
Wine. Yay. Burger. Milk. And yay, that's perfect. And give me high five again. Wow, high five. You have 5 out of 5. So for that one, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. I will give you something. You have this. One lion. Very good. Okay, like that. Okay, now look at this one. Read and tick the box. Okay, now look. We have doctor. Doctor. Where is the... Wow, that's right. Okay, 2. Pilot. Pilot. Very good. 3. Teacher. Teacher. Amazing. Okay, 4. Dentist. Dentist. Wow, that's right. Okay, so for this one, you've got 4 out of 4. Well done. Give me a high five again. Nice. Okay, so for this, you have one big hippo. Very good, Anne. Okay, now look at this one. Look at the picture. You listen to teacher, write your answer, and answer it in a complete sentence. Okay?
Nhìn vào bức tranh, bạn nghe giáo viên viết câu trả lời của bạn và trả lời nó bằng một câu hoàn chỉnh nhé.
All right. Okay, now look. What do you do? What do you do?
I am a dentist.
Very good. Yay, dentist. Nice. Okay, how about this one? What do you do?
I am a finger.
One more time. I am a I am a I am a
I am a finger office.
yes. Okay, say one more time. I am a police officer.
I am a
Police officer.
police.
Okay, how about here? What do you do? I am a
I am a
wow, very good. Okay, what will you say? I am a
I am a finger.
okay, one more time. Firefighter. Firefighter.
Firefighters.
Very good. Okay, now look, last one. What do you do?
I am a sailor. Sailor.
Okay, one more time. Pilot. Pilot.
Pilot.
Very good. Okay, last one. Okay, look. What do you do? What do you do? I am.
I am the blood of seal.
Okay, one more. Police. Police.
Police officer. Officer.
One more. Officer.
Of
Police officer.
police officer.
Very good. Okay, look. What do you do?
Phải phải phải
I am a
I am of
firefighter.
fire.
Very good. Okay, look. What do you do?
I am a pilot.
Okay, pilot.
Pilot.
Very good, Anne. So for that one, you have this one flower. Very good. Okay, now look and say, what does he do? What does he do?
Doctor.
Very good. He is a doctor. Who are they? Okay, circle. Who are they? Yay! Okay, say they are. One more. They are police officers. Okay, one more. They are police officers.
Officer.
Okay, say sirs. Sirs. Very good. Officers. Officers.
Officer.
All right. Okay, now look, what does he do? He,
He
what
is
does he do?
firefighter. Firefighter.
Very good, Anne. Okay, what does she do? She,
He is a dentist.
yay. Okay, one more. Dentist.
Dentist.
Nice. Okay, look, what does she do? What does he do?
Is a teacher.
He is a,
He is a teacher.
yay. Okay, now look, is he a pilot?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now look, what
Mm.
does your mother do?
Mẹ bạn mẹ bạn làm gì?
What does your mother do? He is
Teacher.
very good. Okay, now, what does your father do?
Bố của bạn làm gì?
What does your
He
father do?
is a doctor.
Wow. Okay, now, what do you do?
Bạn làm nghề
He is
gì?
student.
I am
I am a student.
very nice. Okay, give me a high five and very good. So today you've got lion, hippo, and flower. Great job. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something. Bye,